Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another ATC card and coins 2020 collaboration with Poetspice here on YouTube. I'll have everybody's links down below for all the fabulous collaborators. Please go check them out. Quite a few of them are doing giveaways, and I will be doing a giveaway myself. I think it'll be at the end of August when I do the when I do the giveaway. So you have to. I'm just gonna make it really simple. You have to comment on every of my videos. And you have to be a visible subscriber to join in. So I hope you guys follow along with all of us. I know everybody's going to be doing a fabulous job. So today I am here to show you I made ATC coins this time around. Now these are brand new. I just made them. These are 3-inch coins. I used what is this? Is this a Marvy's punch? No, it's a Recollections punch of a 3-inch. I punched it out with file folders and I glued 2 together for stability. Added some pattern paper in the background and I distressed it with Victorian velvet. I layered a doily. This is from Donna Little's doily sale. She has, I think it's the first Saturday of each month she has a sale. And I picked up some 3-inch doilies, so they were perfect. I didn't even know what I was going to do with them, to tell you the truth. So I added, this is a Maggie Holmes ephemera piece that I layered with a leaf. I added some flat back pearls, and then I added some words that I had in my stash. I cut up and inked up with Victorian velvet, and I called it a day. I love how this turned out, and I love how it sparkles with that glitter ephemera piece. So that is one. My second coin, I did pretty much the same thing. I added some more of that ephemera flowers and leaves, some pearls, but this time I added some metallic twine to it. I love how that adds a little something to it. Added another word, trust your heart, my friend. And I just love how that all turned out. So these coins are really fun to make. And that is my share for this week's collaboration with Poetspice. I'll have everybody's links down below. Please go check them out. Everybody's doing a video. I'm assuming, I think most of them are doing a giveaway, and I will be doing a giveaway myself. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you everyone. Bye.